A $60 billion company just gave away $30,000 worth of training for free, 18 courses, 5 tracks, certificates on every single one. This is Anthropic Academy. The company that built Claude just opened their entire playbook. Here's how to finish all of it in 14 days. When this launched in March, there were 7 courses. 3 months later, 18. They quietly added Claude Code 101, Cowork, Subagents, and AI capabilities. 5 tracks now cover everything from I've never touched AI to I'm deploying agents on AWS. Every course is free. Every certificate is free. You don't even need a paid Claude account for most of them. Track 1 Product Claude 101 and Cowork. Your power user path. Track 2 नई Claude Code. 4 courses from beginner installs to building custom skills and subagents. Track 3 API and Protocol. The full Claude API deep dive plus 2 MCP courses, beginner and advanced. Track 4 Cloud. Amazon Bedrock and Google Vertex AI. Enterprise accreditation straight from Anthropic. Track 5 AI Fluency. 6 courses for educators, students, non-profits, and small businesses. Pick your track or run all 5. Here's the 14-day path. Week 1 Claude 101 Cowork and AI Fluency Foundations. 3 days, 3 certificates. Then Claude Code 101 and Claude Code in action. Days 6 and 7, the full API course. Week 2, MCP Intro, MCP Advanced, Agent Skills, Subagents. Then Bedrock or Vertex, depending on your cloud. Day 14, 18 certificates and 1 question left. That question, the CCA-F. Claude Certified Architect Foundations. Anthropic's first proctored exam. 60 questions, 2 hours, $99. The 18 free courses are the prep. This is the credential. 14 days, 18 certificates. 1 exam away from Claude Certified Architect. Link in the description. Bite-size AI drops on Instagram. Deep dives here on YouTube.